Hello guys, welcome back. So today we are here to see that new processor Intel Core Ultra 975, whatever you want to say. So they have launched it couple of weeks ago. What I have noticed in this is that it is a good processor, good AI capabilities, and which consumes low power, all about everything. But technically it should provide high performance. But unfortunately AMD is still on the top, and even Intel's previous generation, Intel Core i9 14 Gen, is faster than this particular processor in terms of gaming. However, we can still see that this is a good progress that Intel is making, where they're adding AI capability by the people who is actually working in AI and integrating the system through this processor. They will get benefit out of it. However, we as consumers, we should be worrying about this. You might be asking a question why we should be worried that the Intel has launched it. If it is selling, it's profit for them. If it's not getting sold, then it's their loss. How we consumers gonna be affected by this? So let me bring down this fact to you. Intel is based out of latest desktop processor, which is having the first 3 nanometer processor, which is definitely an achievement for Intel Core, whatever it is benefiting them. But why we the users face so much issue in the future? So here we can say that Intel again is not producing their processors in-house. Whatever processors Intel has made till last year, they were produced in-house in their own Intel facility where they manufacture their processors. Now they are approaching TSMC to manufacture Intel's processors or chips, leaving their in-house production of chipsets. So now they have reached TSMC to ask for production of chipsets which can be faster, power efficient, and more AI based. So what the TSMC has done is they use their own tile based architecture which they are working on. And the same architecture was done for Intel Core Ultra chip as well. So we shouldn't get worried about it. Why? Why am I saying we need to get worried considering everything is going good, everyone can have all good PC and laptop. Now the main concerning part over here is that AMD is using TSMC for chip production. Nvidia is also using TSMC. Samsung, Apple, Qualcomm, everyone is using TSMC for this chip productions. And Intel also started the same. So now we are heavily depending on TSMC to produce chips and every particular company. Hence the issue is that they might raise the price for it and we gonna pay for that. If monopoly is increased and they notice that there is only one production house is left, everyone is approaching TSMC for 3 nanometer tech chip. That is very much alarming thing for me. We can't do anything in this as it's Intel's decision for approaching TSMC. So we're gonna buy AMD chips for higher price, Nvidia graphic cards at higher price, and eventually Intel gonna raise their prices. So I'm requesting Intel to continue their in-house production chipset in which you are excel. Last gen Intel i9 14 gen was the fastest chip and it was Intel's in-house production. Intel can just improve its architecture and create 5 nanometer, 4 nanometer, 3 nanometer chipsets to maintain the healthier competition and we can see healthier competitive prices. See here in this particular site where we can see all the configuration. We read all this, we know everything. Yeah, we know that TSMC is producing 4 nanometer chipset for AMD build for Zen 5 architecture, but again they also built Intel's 3 nanometer processor. I'm hoping that Intel will keep their price little low. As we can see here, the price 589 for a chipset is high, too expensive. I can build you a good processor which is having good capability of gaming and all those stuff, whatever you want to do. But $589 for just a chip which is an AI based, it's worth it or not? If you ask me personally, I would go to AMD 9 Gen Ryzen 9000 series processor rather than this. So that's all about the market update. If you want to know anything else, please do leave comments down and let me know. I will make another video on that. So this is what it is, and we want Intel to start making their in-house production of chips to maintain healthier competition in market. So that's all for today, guys. Have a good one. Bye.